Hey skaters, Kev here, and I'm going to explain how I learned how to do a Fakie 180. They're real fun, and I would recommend that you have already be comfortable with pumping transitions, and that would mean involving going backwards comfortably. So I am staggered, left foot forward, right foot back. When I'm traveling backwards, I'm looking over my right shoulder where I want to go, because it's important to always look where you want to go. Chances are you end up there. So I would start real slow and jump low on the transition right as soon as you're starting to go up. That'll get you comfortable with when the timing of it, when to take off and when to land. So we'll try it. I go real slow at first, like this, going backwards where I want to go.
Oh,
and that's it. So you just go up real slow, and as soon as you're going up, you just pick your feet up and turn around, jump, and land. Try it again, real low.
all right.
See? And once you get comfortable with those, doing them real low, go a little faster, a little bit, small increments. Don't go crazy at first, but go a little bit faster and a little bit higher each time. And eventually, they'll be like effortless. So I'll try it a little higher. I'm not the best at these, but let's see.
Ooh. Yeah,
There
that was
you go.
high.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
So, go a little higher.
Oh, wow, yeah.
See, those are real fun. So those are just something you can add to your arsenal in the skate park, in the bowls, and the half pipes. They're real fun. So if you guys like that, have any suggestions for any more tricks, anything like that, we love your comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.